Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, in this box carrying case that you can purchase, inside is something really sweet. It's the newest version of the FW450L. This is version 3. Let me show it to you. So as I open the box, hopefully nothing falls out. There we go. We have our huge helicopter and we have a remote. There's a battery over here, plus a few other cool components like this one. I know this is nothing exciting to chat about, but this is a metal tool kit that's included with this baby, and it has every size of, well, I think metric tool on it. So while holding this, I'll take out the body. Here it is right here. Everything's ready to go. Take out the remote, take out the tail rotor. It's right here. And then take out the blades. They're way back here. There's your blades. So that's good. And the battery I'll pull out anyways, and this is knocking my glasses off my face, but let me put it together for you really quick. First off, we have the tail rotor. Watch this. There's a little bar right here. You press it in, you push this tail rotor in, there, let go of the bar. It's not coming out. You know, it's all one piece. Next, just got to put the blades on, and they're pretty simple to go on. They only go one way. Make sure it says flywing upwards, and you stick them each in their little slots. There we are. And you get two tiny little bolts that fit in the holes up top. There we go, blades are on, and I'm just gonna fold them back this way and hold them with my hand and show you the forward section here, because all you have to do is push down on the plastic up top, open the forward section, and that's where your battery goes in. Inside that forward section, you have a sliding tray. You pull it out. You simply take the included battery. Well, at least I think there's an included battery with this kit. If not, you'd have to use your own 4-cell battery and Velcro it on like that. It holds. See, it's just hanging on there by Velcro. Then it does have a little Velcro strap. You can wrap that around. Then you take this sliding tray. And then when it slides in, it only goes in one way. Slide in only one way, and it clicks in place. Click. And then you would plug this into the upper section, and this would power on, and you'd be ready to fly as long as you turned on your remote control, which is included, and I'll show you that next. So now your remote, let me just hit the two power buttons here. Power's on. There we go. And it tells me that I've got some switches in the wrong position. There we go. Switches are all in the correct position. This remote, if you bought this helicopter, you could use this remote with other things in the RC hobby. It's a fully programmable remote. And if you take a look at all the words on the top of the remote as I go along here, well, you're going to fly in normal mode because that's pretty much it. It says normal or invert it. And you have home, which brings it back because it does have GPS in it, so it will come back to home. You also have 3D mode, and you can also fly and do an O or an 8, and you have start and stop your motors. So all of that, well, most of it anyways, you're going to see in this video. Myself and Jedi Steve, we took this out to fly it. It was pretty cold, so we didn't stay out too long, and it was getting kind of dark, but yeah, we took it for a flight, so check out this video. All right, we're out at the field, and I goofed up. I forgot half of my cameras, so I've only got one camera to use, which is the one on my hand, plus a hat cam that Steve's going to wear on his head. But first, Steve wants to check out the helicopter that he is going to fly. So Steve, open the Jeep door and take a look.
Sesame.
And give us your first impressions.
Woohoo!
It is kind of brightly
nice
colored.
and bright. Can't miss it.
All right, he's going to bring it out.
Whoa!
We have? Whoa! It's glowing. It's glowing. There's no battery in it, so it weighs nothing.
Nice.
And I'm just going to tell you this now because I know you love these type of helicopters.
Yes.
The front opens to put the battery in right here. You press
nice.
down on the top, and then the whole thing, yeah, you can like squeeze it. You see
yeah.
how it
with
goes.
gloves, it's a little harder, but
yeah. Okay. It is child-proof, but
and it's obviously working. There we go.
And the battery's on a little tray that slides in, so it makes it really easy to you know, change your batteries.
Yeah.
It should fly just like yours because you have version 2, correct?
I have version 2 of this. Yes.
Yeah.
So,
and you mentioned you had a belt on yours, on your motor?
Yeah, I'm just looking quickly here. It seems to be driven directly with the gears, so more, we'll call it old school, but it works. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just that I remember the old model had a belt on it. A belt going from the motor to the main gear, so
could be cost-saving features, mass production,
maybe.
Not sure.
Yeah.
They're directing this one here at beginners as well as enthusiasts. You would be the enthusiast, I would be the beginner. So how about we plop a battery in it and take it for a flight?
Sounds good to me.
Oh my God, it's like the fields are barren. We gotta make tracks to get out there.
Oh yeah. Well, either way, we got to do it.
What would you say the temperature is right now, Steve?
I'm guessing minus 10-ish.
Minus 10 Celsius? So I'll put what that is in Fahrenheit. Just show you Steve's footprints. Check that out, how deep we're going in the snow here.
This should show up real nice on the white background.
Here, let me go make a spot for us right over here.
All right.
Holy, I'm sinking in here. Look at this. That was a bad idea. All right, Captain Drone landing pad down here. There you go. It's kind of frozen. I don't know, Steve. Plop it down, and we're all set. This is going to be the weirdest helicopter review ever. We are like in the Arctic here.
You want me to plop the battery in it? Or?
Yeah, you can get her all set to go. It's strapped to the little slider thingy. There we go. And we should be able to slide it into place. It only fits in one way, and right up to it clicks. There we go.
There you go. That's an improvement, I guess. Or?
Yeah. Oh, it's really nice. And is your remote already on?
Remote is on, yes.
Okay, so plug it in straight into there.
Oh, that's neat.
Make sure your remote's on GPS mode. And everything is on off and good stuff. There we go. Plop her down. And it says don't close the front door until after this thing is done its little gyro movements.
Okay, so
there we go. It's doing that.
Okay, just it's not
and
spinning.
Now,
okay.
There we go. And stop doing that. Stop. And then now you can close the front door. I guess it's just to keep it still.
There we go.
There you go. And if you have it on GPS mode, the light for the GPS mode is
it's right. It's
right
back
here.
I'm just
someplace.
looking. Yeah.
Don't lift it up.
Oh, jeez.
you're ruining the calibration. It should be okay.
Let's see. I'm just trying to see if the light is showing a.
I can see it. It's flashing.
Yeah, it'd be nice to have a little monitoring hole or something.
See if I could zoom in on the light. It's back in there. There's a little light flashing. It's getting the GPS signal. I can't tell.
Well, it's the first time, I guess, it's been initialized here, so it needs to do its thing.
It's not flashing anymore, so I think it's okay. Steve is putting on the GoPro hat. Look at me, see if I'm in the GoPro. There, you should see me. So you should be good to fly.
All right.
Then I guess we might want to move out of the way.
Yes, good idea.
Okay, so I'll come back with you. For the audience, the viewers, I want, if you can you fly it in GPS mode first? So let me see. We have stop down here.
Yep.
Leave that. It's in GPS now in the center.
Mode, yep.
And you have it in normal.
Yep.
All right, so pull those joysticks down and in, and then wait about 5 seconds, then hit your start. There we go. I see it going. All right, first takeoff. I'll just pull out here.
We'll let her spool up.
Yeah. Take it up and let it just stabilize. There we go.
Ooh, that's quick.
And is it sitting stable or is it floating around?
Right now it's, if you look in my way,
I'll just look over your way.
Completely.
So you're not touching anything, and if I go back over there. Now, can you bring the helicopter a little bit, maybe behind you a little bit, so I'm not facing in the sun for filming here?
No problem.
Yeah, over there is good. That's good. Okay, right there. And let me just zoom in.
So that's pretty darn stable.
So your hands off, and it's just doing its thing with GPS mode right now.
Yep. It's got a bit of a swing back and forth, but that could be because we played with the GPS a little bit, so I don't know.
Could be. Can you take it up about another 6 meters? Go up, 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 up. I'll tell you when to stop. Okay, stop there. Now look at your remote control and hit the switch. There's a switch closest to the left that's got an 8.
Yep.
Hit that one.
All right.
And it should do a figure 8 for us automatically. There it goes.
All right. Still hands-free.
Yeah. Hands-free, and it's doing the figure 8 all remotely, automatically, autonomously controlled. Very nice.
Looks good, doesn't it?
Oh, in the sky, the color is just pops out. It's just awesome.
Yeah.
Nice. So this is all GPS mode, super smooth, well controlled. Easily a beginner could fly this. There's very little skill required. Great. Okay, bring her on back and land it. Okay, Steve's going to try to land it on that tiny landing pad, because if he lands in the snow, well, it's just going to sink in the snow. Here, I'll zoom out so we catch it here. Oh, the sun's right there.
I accept that challenge if I don't get blinded first.
Yeah, I know, that sun, my God. Okay, so he's coming back for the landing pad. Coming back over here. Whoa, that sun. There we go. See, they're gonna smash all over the snow. Whoa, he's going well. Nicely done.
There you go.
There we go. That was good. Okay, so you probably have a lot of battery power left for 3D.
Oh, I think so. Let me just take some of the snow off here so we don't... There we go.
There we go. All right, so let me show it on the controller so the viewers can see. Hold it up in the sun like that. That's beautiful. All right, so over here, yeah, so right now he was flying in GPS, and he's going to flick the switch. Well, here, I'll do it. 3D. Blink down to 3D, and that's all it takes, and now he can fly in manual mode. All right, Steve, take it away. Okay, Steve, you're all set. Manual mode. So there's no stability happening now. Steve has full control. Going up. Did you clip the snow? Could have been a disaster, but Jedi Steve saved it. All right, so he's flying around in manual mode now. See if I can catch it. There we are. Whoa! Steve is bringing it down for a landing. All right. He's flicked it back in the GPS mode so he has better control for landing in that tiny little spot. There we go. Look at that. Oh, almost had it perfect. You just slam it down. Look at that. Oh, Jedi Steve.
There you go.
You outdid yourself with that one. I gotta stick it someplace where.
Make sure she's stuck good.
Yeah, because if it's not,
camera in the snow,
we'll never find it.
It's gonna be forever gone. There we go. Okay. It's good?
Yeah.
It's running?
Yeah. Okay, this is the third flight. Here we go, flight number 3. Nice takeoff.
Didn't hit the snow this time.
No.
The loop?
Yep.
Little stall turn. Little snow effect. Can't get much lower than this.
Oh, that's good. Hang on a sec. I gotta bend down here. Okay, just move along the snow. Without hitting the snow. You can bring it back anytime, Steve, for landing.
All right. Landing?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that camera's about to fall, so it's good.
It's just hanging?
It's still hanging, but it's about to fall.
Okay.
Just in time.
Just in time. All right, so Steve's done 3 flights with the heli, so we're going to get his final thoughts and see what he thinks. But first, how about I show you what comes in the box if you get this baby? So check this out. This is the carry case your helicopter comes in, and it is complete with locking latches. Opening the case, we can check out the contents. The first item would be your instruction manual. Next, we have the helicopter, the remote, and a bag of goodies. First item is a metal hex tool set, then you get a super long USB cable in case you want to do firmware updates, then you get a bind plug in case you want to rebind the receiver, and finally you receive the battery charger. The construction of the helicopter is molded plastic, carbon fiber, and aircraft aluminum metal. On the bottom you can see the receiver, and looking through the bottom when the battery's out you can see the gearing system. Here we can see the brushless tail motor and prop. The tail boom connects to the main body via this connector, and you'll notice that it latches in place with this latch. A set of high quality heavy duty blades are included. This is an RC hobby remote and the switches have already been set up to work with the helicopter. The joysticks are designed for beginners and are similar to a DJI Mavic controller. To power on the remote you'll have to install 4 AA batteries, not included.
Alright, so now it's time to get Jedi Steve's thoughts on this helicopter. Take it away, Steve. What do you think?
Well, first of all, the color is awesome. I mean, not everybody's going to like it, I'm sure, but I do. It's very bright. Love the front canopy that opens. It reminds me of the Goose Sky that came out a while ago that you reviewed. And I think more manufacturers should do that. It's great. Don't have to take the whole canopy off. As far as flying, it flies at least as good, if not better, than the old FW450. I find this one seems a little more nimble. I don't know if they changed anything in the flight controller or whatever, but it seems a little more nimble to me anyway. So, and
well, it is version 3, so I guess they had to improve on a few things.
Yeah, I guess so. But yeah, she does fly sweet. GPS system is perfectly stable. Manual is very very nice, very forgiving, even if it's manual mode. And yeah, it's a great copter.
And flight time is supposed to be 20 minutes per battery. It's cold out here, but we did 2 flights on the first battery and there was still plenty of power left. And we used the new battery for the third flight. So all in all, that was just to get a bunch of footage and let Steve try it out. But all in all, it seemed pretty good. I love the color. It looked really good in the sky. Trying to follow it with this camera was a little difficult. Hopefully I got some good footage from this and your GoPro hat.
Yeah, hopefully.
So anyways, links to this product are below. Go check it out. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions on this, well then post your comments or questions below and I'll get back to you. But for now I say thanks for watching this video and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.